Right now, I'm looking, or at least I'm canvassing different suppliers. Pupunta ako sa mga showroom ng mga barbershop and salon suppliers. And I'll try to document as much as I can. Yeah, I want to bring you in this journey yung entire time from step 1 until the grand opening of Off-Grid's retail space and hair studio. So join me, guys. 3 things that we're looking for today. Number 1, build quality. Very, very important yan kasi it will dictate the experience of the consumers and we want to give them a really good experience when they come into the hair studio. Number 2 naman yung warranty. Quite important yan sa lahat ng mga kaibigan ko na may-ari ng barbershop that gave me advice. Maraming salamat. And isa sa mga common problems nila is nagtitipid sa simula, pero the problem is dahil walang warranty, pag nasira, bili na lang ng bago or maghahanap pa ng repair. That's why I really prefer buying from distributors. Bahala nang bumili ng mas mahal sa simula, basta hindi tayo mas-stress kapag pinapatakbo na natin at mas makapag-focus tayo dun sa quality of service kapag bukas na tayo. Sa mga gustong magtayo ng barbershop or salons, may idea kayo kung ano yung mga questions. Hala, grabe buko. May mga questions tayo na mga pwedeng itanong for your guidelines din. Yan. Ito siya. Wow, nice place. Para dito. So the more the merrier, no? Okay, round 1 done. Basically, naglalaro yung mga barbershop chairs nila ng mga 15 to 28,000. Depende dun sa, hindi naman quality, pero more on the design eh. Now, we're on the way to our second option. Honestly, dalawa lang naman kasi wala, yun lang yung dalawa naka-reach ng algorithm ko. So, pupuntahan na natin yung pangalawa and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so malapit na tayo sa second location. It's actually just along Timog. And from what I know online, ito yung mas mahal na supplier. But we'll see kung maganda yung deal na ibigay ng supplier na to. Ang tanging loss lang kanina is they have no warranty. So hopefully this one, they do. They have a pretty big sign outside. Hi kuya. Magtingin-tingin lang po ako. Naghihanap pa din ako ng barber chair na hydraulic. Talaga? Okay, I'm driving back right now. So next steps natin are only 2 steps. Number 1, I message both of them. We wait for the canvassing options. And then step 2, I'm gonna lay them down side by side and then we'll make a decision. And then while we're making the decision, I'll keep you guys posted.